So here we have a pinch of panchpuran, quarter of a teaspoon of haldi, a mixed curry powder, and another mixed curry powder, two different mixed curry powder, one with a bit of heat in it, so a little bit more hotter than the other. Just a quarter of a teaspoon of chili, 1 teaspoon of zira, and 1 teaspoon of dhania, and we have here 1 teaspoon of madras.
We have 3 bay leaf, 4 cardamom and 4 cinnamon for our shepherd's pie. 1 inch of ginger grated and 8 garlic cloves.
Also grated?
Also grated.
Okay, let's start cooking. So here's the potato. It's just been boiled and ready to be mashed. On it we'll put a knob of butter. And what else, Avia?
We need butter. Do we need milk?
Yes.
And ground black pepper.
Okay. Ground black pepper. Salt to taste. Because I've added some salt when I was boiling the potato, I put a little less. So who's going to mash the potato?
I'll mash it.
Come then, start.
Start the mashing.
But actually, before we start mashing, we need egg and cheese, don't we? And we have some grated cheese, which we'll add
to the potatoes.
To the potatoes. And we also need 1 egg yolk, which we'll get. Sadly, the egg yolk busted while I was trying to. So 1 egg yolk.
Oof.
And then you need to start mashing.
I'm starting the mashing process. Mommy?
Yes, mash the potatoes.
Oof. Oh, that looks cool. This looks so satisfying. It's coming over the sides.
Now that the mashing is done, 1 cup of milk, because as we have quite a bit of potato and we don't want it to be too hard, and just try to just mash it all together. So as you can see, the potato is now soft. So the mashed potato is now ready. Let's start making the shepherd's pie. So you should be able to run your spoon over like that, and the texture must be smooth. Yeah?
Because of how soft the mashed potato would be.
Yeah, this is how soft the mashed potato should be. Let's start. You need an oven-proof dish. So, and you can basically just put layers of the minced meat and spread it out. Now, you just put the potato in. You can either put it with a piping bag, but I'm just gonna spoon it. It's just quicker and less washing for me to do as well. And then after I scoop it on, I'm just gonna spread it out. So all the potatoes on, I'm just gonna smooth it out now. If you leave it slightly rough on top, it will give that crunchy taste. So we're going to use a fork to get that texture on top. So to get that roughness, what we're going to do is get a fork and just go across it.
What's that doing? I like the soft block.
So now, when it's baking in the oven, the mashed potato on top will have that crunchy effect, which will give that extra taste in the potato. That's it, it's ready to go in the oven. So here's a close-up of the texture created by the fork. So when we put this in the oven, this will taste nice and crunchy. So if you want, you could put whatever garnish you have, but I'm going to put mint as it complements lamb, and then put it in the oven.